Hello, good day. Today I will be presenting the property management plan for Molong Residence. It is a single attached residential unit located at Block 6, Lot 17, Reese Street, BCC Homes, Danilag, Manolo, First Bukidnon. So I'm presenting to you myself, Rhea J. Wayan, a real estate salesperson and also a property manager for Molong Residence. So this plan outlines a complete system for managing property effectively, covering operations, finances, tenant relations, risk control, and marketing. And with the goal of maximizing income, protecting the property's value, and delivering a positive experience for both the owner and the future tenants. The purpose of the property management plan. The aim of this plan is to establish a systematic approach to managing Molong residents, ensuring the following: consistent and dependable rental income, high levels of tenant satisfaction and retention, proactive and maintenance and preservation of long-term value, adherence to legal, financial, and safety regulations, efficient daily operations with minimal involvement from the owner. The key goals and objectives are: attain full occupancy while ensuring timely rent collection, preserve property condition through regular inspection and necessary repairs, enhance financial performance by implementing clear budgeting and tracking net income, reduce risk with insurance, legal protections, and ongoing market analysis. Optimize management practices through digital tools and standardized procedures. For the property profile, I will play to you the video or the walkthrough video of the property. So this is Molong Residence, a residential single attached property located at Block 6, Lot 17, Reese Street, BCC Homes, Danila, Gonalo, Fortich, Bukidnon. It has 80 square meters lot area and a floor area of 36 square meters. It has two bedrooms, one toilet and bathroom with a roof car park good for one vehicle. It has an extended kitchen at the back with a free air conditioner and shower heater, and it also has a internet connection. So it is solely owned by Mr. Romulo Natura Jr. and its tenancy status is occupied. So much for that. This is the floor plan of the general floor plan of the property, and on the other side is the actual uh, photo of the unit. So these are the actual photos from the kitchen, living area, master's bedroom, toilet and bath, car park and facade, and bedroom. The common areas of the subdivision where the property is located includes the 24/7 security, a basketball court and parks and playground, and a clubhouse. So the utilities or the essential utilities and services, which are internet, electric, and water provider, with the sample providers here is the DRBC internet connection and the Bukidnon Second Electric Cooperative Incorporated for the electric provider, and the Argus Land, which is the provider for the water. Management objectives. So this plan seeks to generate steady rental income, maintain and increase property value, improve tenant satisfaction, reduce vacancy rate to 0%, ensure property budgeting and financial control, maintain legal and safety compliance, and implement regular maintenance and repairs. Leasing and tenant management. So, leasing and tenant management, there is a marketing strategy. These offer competitive rates in line with nearby rental properties. Lease term is minimum of 1 year contract, renewable yearly with potential incentives, and rent collection is due every first of the month with 5% late fee applicable after 5 days. So we have 5 days grace period every month. Payment options include GCash, bank transfer, or cash. And tenant relations conduct quarterly check-ins, provide a 24/7 emergency contact line, and distribute an annual tenant satisfactory survey. Next is the operation and maintenance plan. So for the preventive maintenance, we have the plumbing inspection made quarterly, electrical safety check made annually, roof and gutter cleaning made biannually, paint touch up every 3 to 5 years, pest control as needed. And for the corrective maintenance, we have the on-call handyman list and a budget of 2,000 monthly repair allowance. For the service providers, we are recommended contracting a janitorial monthly deep cleaning for landscaping, trim, front yard, and waste disposal. So tenant paid per sacks for the waste disposal. So for the financial management plan, monthly income is 12,000, and the expenses is for the loan amortization is 7,000. That is less uh, at the 12,000 rate, and at 2,000 maintenance reserve, insurance premium or annually is 5,000. That is divided by 12, so 417 per month. So the net uh, approximate income is 2,583. So we have reserved uh, fund target of 15,000. That is 3 months net income. So for the reports, we have monthly profit for profit and loss tracking via Google Sheets. Risk management. So we have the insurance. Uh, we ensure fire coverage in place. Consider adding liability coverage. Legal, utilize updated notarized lease agreements. And market risk, keep an eye on rental trends and adjust strategy as necessary. For the environmental risk, we conduct regular inspections for termites, molds, and water leaks. Administrative system. So the property is managed by yours truly again. I am Rhea. That will officially serve as the property manager of Mulong Residences. So I will be the one to handle tenant communication, rent collection, maintenance coordination, and documentation updates. And the support personnel, the on-call handyman contractors for plumbing, electrical, and carpentry. And the optional part-time cleaner for tenant turnover and general deep cleaning. So documentations and records, all lease agreements, receipts, maintenance logs, and insurance, loan documents will be organized in a Google Drive folder that is shared. And the technology and tools, Google Sheets for tracking rent and expenses, digital lease forms that are fillable PDFs, Google Calendar for reminders on inspections, rent due dates, and renewals. Marketing and vacancy management. So In marketing, we have different platforms that are being used. So we have the Facebook profile, the page, the marketplace, Instagram, and local realty groups. And the key selling points, the proximity to church. So this is only a few steps to St. Jude Tadeus, St. Jude Tadeus Parish, to Bonani Infirmary, Hospital, and the restaurants. We have the Villa Tuna, we have the uh, Bailey's Lechon, and others. So this is near entrance. Uh, this is also roof. Uh, this has also a roof, carport, and front yard. So this is an advantage to other units here in BCC because some of the units are still bare and are not roofed. So promotions are they are free to tenants are free to use the air conditioner and the shower heater. So next, monitoring and reporting. So rent collection report versus targets and expense summary is made monthly and quarterly. The preventive maintenance completion report and tenant satisfaction feedback. And for the annual monitoring and reporting, the full financial audit and the lease renewals and rent rate review is made. Plan review and updates. So reviewed annually every July. Updates based on performance versus budget, maintenance needs, insurance and loan terms, and tenant suggestions. So, conclusion. In summary, this property management plan provides Malong residents with a well-defined roadmap for achieving long-term success, with yours truly serving as the property manager and a system established to financial, operational, and legal oversight that the property is well equipped to generate consistent income while appreciating in value over time. So that is all for my management plan for Malong residents. Thank you for your attention and thank you for listening.